We follow together, can differential axial shell deflection be measured? Consider figure 4. First, we must recognize that the shell and its support elements, shell pads, chairs or filler bars, have a smaller diameter than does the bore of the tire. This is always the case with a migrating tire type design. It is a very common design which has been used for decades to accommodate differential thermal expansion between the shell and the tire. Secondly, the support forces are such that the tire has a natural tendency to sit, and align itself to be flat on the rollers. Thirdly, if the shell has a greater sag in one direction compared to the opposite direction, its inclination, for the short length through the tire, will not be the same as the rollers. We follow together, can differential axial shell deflection be measured? There are several consequences when such a condition prevails. Consider this figure. A. The apparent gap between